And the rope. Early lead is taken by Ibarra moving up on the outside, Don Enrico. It's Ibarra by the rail, Don Enrico on the outside, TV Magic running in third. Both Bo Weather Lang and Pierce Spider is bringing up the rear. And as they leave the straight, it's Ibarra by a length and a half, followed by Don Enrico in second. And running in third is TV Magic by 4.5 lengths, both Bo on the outside, Weather Lang and Pierce Spider. Into the backstretch they travel. It's still Ibarra by 2 lengths, followed by Don Enrico in second. And running in third is Stevie Magic by 3.5 lengths, both Bo, Weather Lang, and Pierce Spider. The mid backstretch it is still Ibarra by a length and a half, followed by Don Enrico on the outside in second, and running in third TV Magic by 5.5 lengths, both Bo, Weather Lang, and Pierce Spider. And rounding the far turn, there is still Ibarra by a length and a half, followed by Don Enrico on the outside in second. In the very far third is Stevie Magic, both Bo Weather Lang, and Pierce Spider. The last bend for home, it is still Ibarra by 2 lengths. It's Ibarra, followed by Don Enrico on the outside. And closing in third by 5.5 lengths, Stevie Magic, Weather Lang, both Bo and Pierce Spider. The top of the stretch is still Ibarra in the lead, followed by Don Enrico on the outside and TV Magic moving out on the inside. It's Ibarra in between horses, Don Enrico on the outside, TV Magic moving up by the rail, TV Magic by the rail, Don Enrico on the outside, Ibarra in between horses, TV Magic by the rail on the outside is Don Enrico and Ibarra, and finally TV Magic, Ibarra, Don Enrico, Weather Lang, Pierce Spider, both Bo.